Elite RD, GRP roof repairs. In this example, we are repairing a GRP roof. The damaged front apron detail cannot be coated with Alphateq Elite RD alone, so it will require some butyl tape to reinforce the repair. You can use any other product that will help bridge the gap. Stir the Alphateq Elite RD continuously for 3 minutes before using to lift the chopped strand fibres from the bottom of the tin. Take a generous amount of Alphateq Elite RD on a roller and apply it to the tape and the surrounding area, creating a permanent waterproof seal for at least 20 years. Alphateq Elite RD is extremely easy to use and apply with no slumping or running, and only requiring a couple of passes of a brush to create 2 mm thickness. Leave for 12 hours to fully cure depending on the temperature. Remember, Elite RD is a universal product and can be used for details, repairs and waterproofing small roofs.